You can't hear it.
Oh. I could hear it.
Have we got to rebuild an engine?
Oh no, please, please, please. No. It could be because the battery power is low. We had that with the SVR. The SVR, when we started the SVR up, it ran really bad until we had full good battery on it, didn't we? And like this, look, as soon as I turn this off, this battery's dead. So it could be the battery power. Oh, there's no way we're going to take this engine out. No way. No.
We're going to have to.
No, there's no way.
The viewers don't know why you don't want to take this engine out. So they're thinking, why don't you want to take it out? It all makes sense though.
It was all going to make sense. Have you put the oil pipe back on? Oh my God, what the hell is going on there? One more time. Man. You shouldn't say that in BMXing, but I need to know. We all need to know. You need to know, I need to know. I need to see why is that on the floor like that? Oil pipe back on.